Can you talk a little bit about your $10 workshop? Oh, yes. Thank you very much for bringing that up. So as we're coming up on the end of the year, what we're trying to do is really help people in every way we can. That's why we've got, I hope you'll go to the website because we have all these discounts to help you out financially, eh? And one of the things the divine signaled me to do is to do a workshop. What I'm going to do is give you a real good hands-on, learn it today, use it tomorrow way to meditate that is proven with by all of the science, and it really works, and you don't have to have any kind of a level of consciousness to perform it. You can do it right straight off the street, and you will receive massive benefit. And then I'm going to teach you how to reprogram your mind to automate new behaviors. See, our life is a readout. Your progress or your lack of progress is a readout of our habits. Our habits are our behaviors. And there is the action, and then there's the how you do the action. I'm a specialist on the how because I'm a Dharma hey ho person. And in the Zen Dharma world, the spiritual world, it's all process oriented. So the how becomes very important. So what I'm going to do is show you a reprogramming system that's ultra simple, so that when I'm all said and done, the total amount of time it takes you to do this practice totally 10 minutes. The benefit is for hours and hours that day, and within 7 days you automate the new behavior, and when you look at the automated new behavior downline in 5 months, 1 year, your results and your progress are exponential. So I want to give that to you. And the cost is just an exchange, because the universe is designed so that if there isn't a exchange, eventually it will hurt myself and or the healer or anybody. Just it's like it's $10. But please come and tell your friends, because it's really beautiful, and I'll cut through all the chase so that it's very, very simple. Okay?